Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a dropshipping business with Oberlo, complete guide step by step clearly. To build a dropshipping business with Oberlo, start by choosing a niche. Research market trends to identify products with high demand. Once you select your niche, create a business plan outlining your goals and strategies. Next, sign up for a Shopify account, as it's essential for your dropshipping store. After setting up your Shopify account, navigate to the Shopify App Store. Search for Oberlo and install it in your Shopify store. Once Oberlo is installed, explore the user-friendly dashboard. Start by importing products from various suppliers to your store. Use filters to find items that align with your niche. Pay attention to product reviews and ratings, ensuring quality. Add detailed descriptions and images to enhance product appeal. Set your pricing strategy, considering both your margin and competition. Customize your store's design to reflect your brand identity. Integrate payment gateways to facilitate smooth transactions. Launch your store once you have enough products listed. Use social media and online marketing strategies to attract customers. Consider running paid ads to increase reach and visibility. Monitor your store's performance using analytics tools. Adjust your strategy based on sales data and customer feedback. Engage with customers through email marketing and support. Continuously update your product offerings to stay competitive. Stay informed about industry changes to adapt your business model. With dedication, you can build a successful dropshipping business with Oberlo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.